Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to walk you through making ornaments with the tumbling towers from Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was just kind of make an ornament just by creating any type of size you want, shape, and I used the glue gun to glue it together. The next thing I did was, once they were dry, I went ahead and I spray painted them different colors. I used 3 different primers plus spray paint all in one. I used a white and a black and a red, and I let those dry for a few hours. While that was drying, I opened Cricut Design Space and picked some art that I wanted to put on a canvas. And I used the Dollar Tree canvas, and I did 2 different types. I did sublimation with printer jack sublimation paper, and then I also used just plain copy paper. Then I removed the canvas from the frame. I just cut it out, and then I applied the sublimation, and I used my Cricut Mini, and I ironed it for about 30 seconds. And then after I sublimated them, I used Mod Podge, and I just rubbed it over it and let that dry. So the 2 ornaments that are the white ornaments, I used regular copy paper and I just printed it to the printer, to the color printer, and cut it. And I applied Mod Podge over the ornament first, like a little base, and then I applied the picture, and then I applied the Mod Podge over the picture, and then I just let it dry. On the other ornaments, I just used the glue gun to attach the fabric to the wood, and then I just added a ribbon, and that was it. So let me know what you think of these projects. Is this something that you guys see yourself doing? And also, which one do you like best? I tend to like the white ones best, that I did not sublimate. I just did it on regular copy paper, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. So leave a comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you don't already subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button below.